This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Gorgeous decorator-furnished lakefront property featuring an open floor plan and coastal luxury living. The home boasts 4 bedrooms, one configured as an office with a sleeper sofa, a screened pool and spa offering unobstructed lake views. A large master suite and guest room are situated on the first floor. 2 additional guest rooms are located on the second floor and feature a large balcony. The stunning chef's kitchen includes a large island and newer appliances. The gated community of Island Club West offers 2 clubhouses, tennis, pickleball, a fitness center, and private beach access. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-321-3056.